What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to take a minute to talk about the Genesis's new setup, because it is finally on coilovers, and I'm so excited about that, because I've had lowered cars. I've had lowering springs, but I've never had coilovers, and coilovers has just been something I've wanted to have. Just, you know, because of the performance aspect and the adjustability of them. And for those of you who are wondering what coils I put on the Genesis, I just put some Raceland coils on it because they're affordable, and I needed something quick because my struts were blown, and it just kept getting worse by the day. So I really needed something fast and affordable. So I got Raceland coilovers because Raceland makes a good product. Don't let anybody tell you that they don't, because they really give you a good product for your money. Like, obviously they're not going to be like, you know, on par with like $1,500 coilovers, but you get probably the best coilover for the money. And to be completely honest, the way I have these set up right now, at least in the fronts, because I tuned the front suspension, I haven't done the back yet, so the back's still kind of weird. It feels really floaty in the back, and it bounces a good bit on bumps. But the front, I just finished tuning it, and it rides pretty close to stock. It doesn't feel that much more, like, I guess, jarring than the stock suspension did, but it definitely feels stiffer when you go around corners and stuff. It definitely handles a lot better. It feels like the car is much more planted now. And of course, probably my favorite thing about these coilovers is just how good the Genesis looks lowered. In my opinion, this car looks incredible when it's lowered. I think it looks absolutely insane, and I cannot wait to get some wheels on this thing, because I have these wheels that I've been wanting for a while. I'll probably make a video soon that's sort of like a POV drive of driving this car on its new coilovers, because it is truly amazing how different this car feels. And I'll talk more about the way this car feels in that video, but I'm going to go and end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care and have an awesome rest of